Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing wonder. I am Rashmi again welcoming you on my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi. In today's session we are going to learn about how can we find out the square root with the help of identity. So such type of cases we will be having. We have to find out the square root of a plus 2 root b. So we are well aware about we have to take the help of identity. अब identity का help लेकर can we solve this question in seconds? Of course not. Look how lengthy solution it is. So let me show you the shortcut way to find out the square root of such cases. Like here we have 8 plus or minus whatever the sign we have in between 2 root 12. Okay. So square root of 8 plus minus 2 root 12. You simply have to break this 12 in such a way so that after taking the product of those two number you should again get back that 12 only, and while taking the sum or difference of that number you should get this 8. Okay, so split karna hai. So 12 we can factorize it in multiple way. 2 6 are 12, 1 multiply 12, 4 3s are 12. Which one will be the exact one? So of course 2 multiplied by 6, that means 2 plus 6 is going to give us 8 here. So this can be written as square root of root 2 plus root 6 whole square, and we know square root, inside the square root we again have the square, so we will be simply writing it as root 2 plus root 6 or root 6 plus root 2. So if plus sign we have, we will be writing plus here. If minus sign we have, we will be writing minus here, or we can put both the sign because in our question we have both of the sign together. Okay, so this way it will be a lot of time saving for us to simplify it. Let's move to another example. Let us find out the square root of root over of 15 plus or minus 2 root 50. Now this 50 आपको simply 50 को ऐसे break करना है जिसका product करके 50 again you should get back, or after taking the sum or difference you should get this 15. Okay, so 50 can be written as again 1 multiplied by 50, or it can be written as 2 multiplied by 25. It can be written as 10 multiplied by 5 also. It can be multiple ways, right? So 10 multiplied by 5 is the feasible one because this can be written as root 10 plus root 5 whole square, and this needs to be written in the square root. So that is why at the end we will be getting root 10 plus root 15, root 5. Okay, so it's so quick way. Rather than taking the help of longer version, we can smartly do this calculation to just save our time. So let's move to another example. We have to find out the square root of 15 plus minus 2 root 26. Now this 26 can be written, there is only one way, 13 multiplied by 2. One more way, 1 multiplied by 26, but 13 plus 2 is going to give us the first term of it, right? So root 13 plus root 2 plus minus both the sign we will be considering. Okay. Next one is 27 plus minus 2 root 50. We have to find out the square root of it. So 50 can be written as 25 2s are 50. So 25 multiplied by 2 gives us 50, and 25 plus 2 gives us 27. That is why this can be written as root over 25 plus minus root over 2. Okay. Now root over 25, that means 5 plus minus root 2. So the answer can be this also, answer can be this also. Depends what is given to us in the options. So as you have seen कि उस वाली मेथड की हेल्प से हम बहुत लेंदी कैलकुलेशन कर रहे थे, but smartly just to crack the exam in seconds we have to simplify the problem. So that is why here is the time savior trick with us, which we have already discussed today. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Do like my video, do follow it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. Okay.